The question says an alkene A on ozonolysis gives a mixture of ethanal and pentane 3 on. Write structures and IUPAC name of A. We have to determine the chemical formula of A, that is what alkene. First of all, we understand how we do this kind of question, because in NCERT textbook like this 2 to 3 questions are there. Okay, products are given there. From the products we have to identify what is the reactant. Okay, now pay attention carefully. I take one example related to ozonolysis. Okay, let's say we have CH3 and it is CH double bond and it is CH2. This is alkene is there, alkene, and this alkene undergoes ozonolysis reaction. We have O3 and it is Zn and it is H2. Pay attention very carefully. Okay, we carry out ozonolysis. How we complete ozonolysis reaction? Wherever the double bond is there, we break the double bond, okay, and attach oxygen on both sides. That's what we do. Okay, attach oxygen on both sides. So what is the product we got? This is CH3 and we have CH double bond O is there. Keep in mind, oxygen always forms double bond. So I attach this oxygen to this carbon with double bond, because two double bond we have broken, so that we can satisfy the valency of carbon. This side we also got CH2 and this is double bond O is there. Okay, these are the products. Let's say I do not have any idea for this reactant. These two products are given there. Like in this question, a mixture of product is given there and we have to identify reactant given in the question. Okay, so especially in this kind of ozonolysis reaction, what do we do exactly? Look at oxygen. You can see oxygen is given here, oxygen we got here, and these oxygens we are getting under ozonolysis. Okay, to find out the reactant, you eliminate these oxygen. Okay, you can see I removed this oxygen, I removed this oxygen, I removed this oxygen from this carbon, I removed this oxygen from this carbon. Look at here. Okay, look at here. I removed oxygen from this carbon in this compound and removed oxygen from this carbon in this compound. Oxygens are eliminated. Now this carbon and this carbon you can connect with double bond. That is the reactant. This is what you have. You can see this CH3, this CH3 is there, and this carbon and this carbon. You can see this carbon and this carbon both are connected with double bond. You can see CH and you can see CH2, both are connected with double bond. Like this we can complete this reaction. On the product side you remove oxygen, and from the carbon you are removing the oxygen, you take those carbons and connect them with a double bond. Like that we can find the reactant. Okay, pay attention carefully. We have a product is there, no sorry, a reactant is there. Let me write, this is a reactant. It undergoes ozonolysis, O3 it is Zn, and this is what we have, H2 is there. Okay, draw the structure of the products. A mixture of ethanal, so we have CH3 and it is CH double bond. This is what ethanal. Okay, aldehyde is there. Then pent 3 on is there, means this is ketone is there, ketone. So we have pent means how many carbons are there? We have 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3 and it is 4 and it is 5 is there. And it says 3 on, so 1, 2, 3 to the third carbon we attach oxygen. Satisfy the valency of carbon by attaching hydrogen. H3 it is H2, it is H2, and then we have H3 is there. Okay, we follow the same method to identify the reactant. So look at the oxygen. You can see oxygen is given here, oxygen. So I eliminated this oxygen, I eliminated oxygen from this carbon, and in this compound I eliminated oxygen from this carbon. Okay, so you can see I have removed oxygen from the double bond, removed oxygen from the double bond. To satisfy the valency, we have to connect this carbon and this carbon with a double bond. Okay, let me draw this line. This carbon with double bond. That is the compound we got as a reactant. Okay, let's write. We have a, let's say this is a long chain, so I can start writing from here. Okay, CH3 is there, and then this is what we have, CH2. Okay, and then C to this carbon we have CH2 attached, and then we have CH3 attached. Okay, This carbon is connecting to this carbon, the double bond, it is CH, and then we have CH3 is there. Okay, because to this CH, CH3 there, to the CH, CH3 is there. This is the chemical formula. We have chemical formula of reactant A. Very easy. And even if you want to carry out this reaction, what we do, we break this bond and attach oxygen here also, attach oxygen here also. This will come as a product. Two products will be formed. And now it is asking about IUPAC name also, right? Structure we got it, and IUPAC name of A. IUPAC name. So first of all, we can select the parent chain. Okay, so we have to give the minimum number to the double bond. You start numbering from here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. We cannot continue because double bond cannot go as a branching. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and it is 3, and it is 4, and it is 5 is there, and this is going to be the branching. So we can say 3-ethyl. We have 3-ethyl. Name 3-ethyl is there. 3-ethyl. In the parent chain, how many carbon are there? 5 carbon. We can mention pent. Pent is there. And where is the position of double bond? To the third carbon. Okay, wait. If I do the numbering from this side, we can give the minimum numbers. Okay, so no problem. I do one thing. I cancel this one. Cancel. We have 1, 2, it is 3, it is 4, and it is 5. We have to give the minimum number. Parent chain will be same only. Pent. And we can mention 2. Pent 2, and it is in is there. Pent 2 in. Pent 3-ethyl pent 2 in. This is the IUPAC name of this structure, and this is the reactant A. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.